everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube short. So I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube short, and in my next short I'm going to show you how to post this short in YouTube. So we're going to use Capcut. So let's start. So first, select your video and now click on ratio and click on 9:16 so you can post this short to YouTube. So I'm gonna click on it. But you can see now the video is a little bit small. So once you select your video, you can go to video and then basic and then scroll down until you find auto frame and then click on this reframe and click on 9:16 and then click on apply. Now we can see that we have created a YouTube shorts. So this is how we create a YouTube shorts. Thank you everybody for watching this video. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. So see you again.